when you have to share data with programs that don't work directly with Microsoft Excel, Excel import and export feature comes in handy. Maybe the other program doesn't recognize Excel file format. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import and export .txt and .csv raw data type into Microsoft Excel. Hi there, my name is Abata Sharifdeen and thanks for tuning into my channel. Do stay to the end. If this is the first time on my channel and you'd love to be a Microsoft Excel pro with straight to the point tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. And trust me, I always try my best possible to drop new content every week, twice a week, just for you. So let's jump into Microsoft Excel. Let me show you how to import and export. Hi there, welcome back from the short break. So here I am in Microsoft Excel. I have a well formatted worksheet for my raw data type that I would love to import into Microsoft Excel. All I have to do is come to the data tab, get external data. You see you have different places you can import data into Microsoft Excel. You have from Microsoft Access, from the web, from text. This is a text file format, so this is one we're going to be using. We also have from other sources like from SQL Server, from analysis services, from old data feed, and so on. So all you have to do is come here and click on from text. When you do that, I have a .txt file type in my computer. All I have to do is select this and click on imports. When I click on imports, the text import wizard pops up and it shows me you have step 1 of 3. So I simply have 3 steps for this to happen. Is either delimited or fixed width. 99.9% of the time is always delimited. So I'll select delimited, click on next. This time around, if I deselect this tab, you see my file preview here changes. So this will be how the data preview will look like in Microsoft Excel. Next, so depending on your your data or your raw data type, it may be semicolon raw data type, the delimiters that they are separated with. It may be comma. So depending, all you have to do is keep selecting the one it is. For most of the time, it's always comma separated. This is just a tab separated file format. So I click on this, okay, finish. So it asks me where I want to start, where I want the import to start from. So it's choosing the correct cell. I click on OK. Boom, you see it has imported. You can see I have payroll here. I have my last name, first name already formatted there. All I have to do is delete this few rows. Wow, I'm just going to see that. I think I made a mistake there. And just click on delete. Yeah, that one I want to do. Sorry about that. It's a mistake there. So you see, it fits in perfectly. Last name, first name, department. So this is exactly how to import .txt file type into Microsoft Excel. So another thing is, if I don't have a well formatted worksheet, can I import it like that? Yes, you can import it like that. So let me quickly show you. Let me create a new sheet here. Then just come to home. I'm just going to page layout. I love working without the grid lines. Now come to data, from text, select that. I'll be super fast right now. So next is correct, finish. Yep, you see, so I don't have my worksheets formatted already, so I can simply import my data and after that just format it this way, the way I like. Cool, right? So let me show you how to export a CSV file. Super simple, super easy. Quickly, let me show you that I have a CSV file already open. So one thing you would like to know about when you're exporting to a CSV file is that you can't import formula, you can't import formatting. So all these will disappear. A CSV file, you can only import alphanumeric value. So it's going to import only these cells that contain alphabet and these cells that contain numeric, not these cells that contain Excel formulas. And I click on F12 on my keyboard, click there, new export. Then I'll select .csv. Let's see .csv. Save. You can see some features in your workbook may be lost. I told you like this format, all these formats, and some formulas. You click on yes, boom. You see that. So let me just close that. And let me open it for you in this router. You see that we've lost we've lost our formatting. And open it, look at it, boom. So we've lost we've lost the formatting of the worksheet. So it's going to open like alphanumeric value. So guys, here that's to import a .txt file and how to export a .csv file in Microsoft Excel. You can also check out how to import expect new videos on how to import from all other databases very soon on my channel. So if this tutorial was helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I'll be dropping new content every Wednesdays and Sundays. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching to the end.